Hello guys, back again in live streaming. Today we are doing the project or experiment on 16 by 2 LCD screen with Arduino with Protus, and you can do in also simulation with online simulation tool also. It's gonna work. So let's begin. What our actually motto today? We are doing first program thing to create hex file, and how to create that thing I will explaining in this video. And then after creating hex file, how we gonna to simulate that hex file in Protus, that I will be explain, and how to add components, how to create the tracks, pins, and how to run the project. Let's begin. And to be honest, it is very simple and straightforward video. You can watch and do that thing. So let's open first Arduino IDE, just like you can see. Then just open anything and then go to the files, file, examples. You can see liquid crystal here, and you can see here hello world. Yeah, just click there, and there is another window appearing at your screen, that is this window. Then close previous window, Maximus, get a full screen, and that is our code. That's it. 64 line. Only the actually code is start from line number 44 to just here. What we need, you can see here the circuits. That is actually very much important for us to connect the things together in Protus. I will explain this program in later on. Let's first save this program. Go to the again file, save as, desktop. Then I will create new folder called 16 underscore 2 underscore LCD underscore with underscore Arduino. Then here 16 underscore by 2 underscore with underscore Arduino. Then press OK. And after that, you have to compile the project. I hope you know how to do that. Just click there, verify done. Then what we need to do, creating hex file. How to create hex file? Just go to the sketch, export binary file, and you can see it is just done. Now let's check actually hex file is created or not. What is our folder name? That is our folder name. That is actually our main program file in Arduino extension. Arduino means it is from Arduino IDE. Build, you can see that is our hex file. You can able to see lots of their files actually, yeah. But we need to just need this file. There are some bootloaders. I will explain in actual class what is that bootloader and why we need and why this is created, everything. But for now we have to focus on only this file, ono.hex. Now we have created hex file. Now let's create a Protos simulation file. Let's go open Protos software. Then here, just click here, new project. Then give the file name. I'm giving a file name 16 by 2 with Arduino. Then file location, I am giving file location same as the previous, so it is easy to know me where my all programs is there. Then select this folder. Then here what we have done previously is to forget that thing. Just click here from development board and then click here Arduino 328. That is actually our main board. Arduino Uno means is similar as Arduino 328. Then click here finish. That is actually our board Arduino Uno. So here we need to add 16 by 2 LCD screen. Yeah. So click here component mode, then click here P, then just search here 16 by 2, 16 underscore 2, 16 by 2. You're not getting anything. Just search here LCD, then alphanumericals LCD, and then here I'm just select 16 by 2 LCD, first one, 16 by 2 alphanumerical LCD. You can also able to see her here schematic and a pin diagram, but we just need here schematic. Just double click, you can see now it is not added in our bucket list. Just double click and it is added LM06016L. That is the device name, and then close that thing. Then just click once again there and once again here to add. Now I'm going zoom down a little bit. So just place component here. Now we have placed our 16 by 2 LCD screen. So what we need to do? Connections to actually further data, na? So how to know our connections, where to where connect? We have just open the program, and this is our main program, and you can able to see they have written the actual connections, how to connect, where to connect, and which pins they have to connect. Let's see. RS pin of LCD is connected to the pin number 12. That is our Arduino board. Let's connect. So do that. What we need to do, we have to connect physically. So just go to the here terminal. What is that thing? Terminal modes. Then default. And this then click once again here and then press plus button in numerical key, so you can rotate that thing. So I'm now just placing the all here, so it is easy to just rename later on, so we not need that much. Okay, now just click here selection mode, then you can see what is there. RS pin is connected to the pin number 12 of the Arduino. That is our Arduino. And what is the label? Label is IO12. IO12 means D12 pin of Arduino. Thus labeling is different, but everything is same. Thus imagine IO means D. That's it. 12 means 12 pin. So it is very simple actually to just double click here and write the same thing whatever it is there level. It is in capital, so you have to write in capital. There should not be any case sensitive material is there, right, as it is. I capital O capital and then 12. There is no space between them. Then press OK. So we have connected this pin to the this pin successfully because label is same. So Arduino, so that proto software itself understood that we have connected this and this pin together. Now enable pin. Enable pin is connected to the pin number 11. So IO 11. Then D4 is connected to the 5. And D4 is connected to the pin number 5. IO 5. Okay. Then D5 IO 4. Then third. You can see D6. D6 is going to pin number 3. So IO 3 and here IO 2. So we have connected data pins. Now we have to connect, you can see RW is there. We have to connect the ground. So I'm just doing that thing. Right click, place terminal ground and press plus button in numerical keypad. Press plus, then connect the RW is connected to ground and just click here. VSS is also connected to the ground. So connect there. Then this is actually a kind of let's connect this thing first. Sorry guys, I'm opening also. Now let's connect the VDD means power supply pin. Just connect power supply. How to connect power supply? Just right click, place terminal power and plus rotate that thing, then connect. Now here we have to connect variable port. means potentiometer. So we have to do again component mode P, and then select here right type POT means potentiometer. You can see here and select active one. So you can change the value in later on. Just double click there and then OK, and then place that thing here. Rotate. We have done. Then connect. Then here we have to connect VCC or ground, anything. Just connect ground. Here we have to connect VCC power, that is, and that is the 1K. You can also use as a up to 10K. Uh, Usually it is a 10K pot. Now we have done connections. Now we have to upload the hex file here. How to do that? I think you all know. Just double click here, on that IC. Then go to the program file. Then click on the folder. Then desktop. Look at our file. Where is our file? I think that is thing. Yes. Yeah, build, and then hex file. Then press OK. And then OK. Now it should be turned on. Then we have to run the project. Yeah, simulation. Then just click here, run simulation, and you can see that is our program is running. If I want to change that H, it should be capital, and W also capital. Let's do that thing. Let's run that thing program. Change here H capital and W also I want capital. Then control save. Then once again compile. Then once again create binary file means hex file. Now we have done, the path is same, so we don't need to change the path again. Just click here, run. You can see it is updated automatically. So that's we understood from this video. What we understood, how to create a project in Porters, how to add components, which we have added, that two things, how to connect connections from board to LCD screen by labeling, that we have done, how to give hex file, that we have done in Proters. And if you want to take a printout of this schematic, how you can go and do, just go to the files, then export graphics, then export Adobe PDF file. Then here once again change the file name, then go to the desktop, LCD with Arduino, just do here file name 16 underscore under OK. That is our file name. Then press OK. I think file name should be different. 16 by 2 years LCD with Arduino, then save. Then yes, I want color outputs. Then click here and just click here. Okay. Now you can see our schematic is exported, and you can take a print of that thing. And you also know understood how to get the program, how to compile, how to export hex file. Let me explain program a little bit here. That is the header file which we have added from our Arduino IDE software. The call is LCD record crystal.h. That is the header file which is inbuilt in that thing. Then here constant. Here we have defined our pin numbers. Actually, RS, then enable, then D4, D5, D6, D7 is the that is LCD pin name, and this is our IC connection pin. Then we have defined which pins we have to use from that LCD screen. In case we have using RS enabled D4 to D7s. Then here we have to configure which SS screen we are using. There are lots of SS screen like 16 by 4, 16 by 7, 16 by 6, or 24:1. There are words of SS screen, so we have defined there is 16 by 2, and then you can see here LCD begins. Then that is the command to know the that compiler we are using 16 by 2 of LCD screen. From that we have to begin. Then we have to print. So we have used lcd.print function, and this function is provided by Arduino IDE software itself. And here we have to type what we want to type. And this is the loop which runs continuously. Here you can also read L1 is the second row, nice starting from beginning. So we have to add it there loop which showcase the timing in seconds. So that is added at the row column second that is there. I hope you understood, and that's it for this video. Let's see in another video, and don't forget to save everything. Take out printout which is necessary for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and I hope you understood how to create, build, run, export binary file, run project, and connect the pins of multiple connections in simple way, and how to take out the printout also we have understood in that video. Bye bye, and that's it for this video. I hope you understood, and it's a brief short video, and take care. Have a great day.